Good morning, children. In today's English class, we'll continue with the supplementary lesson, The Legend of Jaswant Gad. Before continuing with the lesson, we'll take a recap of what we saw yesterday. Jaswant Singh Rawat is an Indian soldier. There was a war between India and China in the year 1962. In the final part of the war, the Indian soldiers were asked to retreat because the Chinese troops were very strong. But what did Jaswant do, children? He did not leave his post. He decided to stay there and continued to fight. We'll continue with the lesson now. Page number 141 in your English reader. Two village girls named Sela and Noora helped Jaswant. So these girls helped Jaswant. How did they help? They set up weapons at separate points. So they went and kept or they set up weapons at separate points. Jaswant taught the girls to fire guns. So these two girls were trained to fire guns. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army. Jaswant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. So they kept guns at different points and shot from different points by running from one point to the other. His intention was to give the Chinese army a perception that they are facing a huge Indian battalion. Why did Jaswant do this, children? He did so because he wanted the Chinese to believe that there was a big, huge Indian army fighting against the Chinese. He did this for 3 continuous days. Jaswant and the girls had killed 300 Chinese soldiers. Just see, 3 of them killing around 300 soldiers. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. So Chinese army, they decided to stop supply food to the post. The Chinese soldiers caught the man who brought food for the 3. In the Chinese interrogation, the man told the truth that a single soldier was guarding the post. When the Chinese stopped supplying food to the post, the person who brought food for these 3, that is Jaswant, Sela and Noora, he was caught. When questioned, he told all the truth. A single soldier and 2 village girls had fooled the Chinese. So how did they fool the Chinese? By making them think that there were many Indian soldiers who were fighting against the Chinese. They were shocked and furious. They surrounded Jaswant Singh and launched a final attack. Now the Chinese know the truth. So what did they do? They surrounded Jaswant and made a final attack. Jaswant shot himself as Chinese were going to capture him. So what did Jaswant do? He shot himself. He killed himself. A grenade blast killed Sela. What is a grenade, children? A grenade is a small bomb that can be thrown and it would blast. Noora, the tribal girl, was captured alive. So she was captured by the Chinese soldiers. After the war, the commander of the Chinese army returned the brass bust of Jaswant. So they returned the bust of Jaswant. Bust means it is still your chest. A war memorial with the brass bust was made to remember him and his service to the nation. So a war memorial, even now it stands in Nauranang. All army personnel who pass through this memorial pay their respect to him. That is, they pay tributes to Jaswant Singh Rawat. The Indian army still treats him as a serving officer and awards him promotions. So, Jaswant Singh Rawat is considered as a serving officer, that is, a working officer, and awards him promotions. So, he is given promotions. India awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. The Mahavir Chakra is the second highest military award after the Paramavir Chakra. So, Jaswant Singh Rawat was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. Jaswant may have died in battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jaswantgarh and the Indian Army. Even though Jaswant Singh Rawat is not alive, he continues to live in the memory of the people of Jaswantgarh and in the Indian Army. Hope you understood the lesson, children. We'll continue with the exercises in the next class. Thank you, children.